In this tutorial we will see how to buy ERG through Gate.io. We want to clarify before we start that we have chosen to use Gate.io because it is one of the exchanges listed on the official Ergo website. We could have used any of the exchanges on the list, and we will soon upload a tutorial with another exchange. We want to put on record that we do not receive any kind of compensation from Gate.io or Binance. The objective is only to provide a solution to the problem we hear a lot: where can I buy Ergo? Ergo Tutorials does not guarantee the correct functioning of the Gate.io or Binance platforms and recommends that once you buy Ergos you send them to your own wallet, created with the official Ergo ones. The first thing we will do is to enter the Binance website. We are going to use this platform to send USDT to Gate.io and buy ERG. We could send it from any other platform. We are going to withdraw cryptocurrencies. We select USDT, and to obtain the address where our cryptocurrency will go we must enter Gate.io. We go to Deposit and select Tether USDT. There it will indicate the address that we must copy. We paste the address and select the network, which must match the network of the address that we have entered. In our case Tron. We indicate the amount and click on Withdraw. As a security verification, Binance will ask us for a verification code for the phone and another for the email. Here it indicates that the transaction will take approximately 12 hours, but this has not been the case. It has taken a few minutes. We can check that the withdrawal has been completed. We go back to Gate.io to check our fund summary to see if it has arrived yet. It still does not appear, so we go to view the status of recent deposits. We can check that it has been made correctly. After a few minutes we reload the page and the available tethers are displayed. Now we can finally operate and purchase the ERG. We search the available pairs and select the ERG USDT. It is important to clarify at this point that Gate.io does not have the possibility of buying immediately, what we know as a market order. We must make the purchase through a limit order. If we want to make the purchase immediately, it is advisable to put exactly the same price that indicates the current quote, the one that appears at the top. If the price rises or falls and does not go through what we have indicated, the order will remain pending to be executed until it reaches that value. If the order is pending, we can find it at the bottom of the page. If the purchase is not carried out, we can cancel it and generate a new one. In our case, the order has been carried out correctly. We can check it in our fund summary.